Here's how to use name drop in iOS 17. Now, if you have iOS 17 and someone else does as well, your iPhones can use a new feature called name drop. So let's open up this article, and in this Apple article, it shows you exactly what it looks like and what it does. So I can replay this here, and all you have to do is get two iPhones. Again, they have to be running iOS 17 or later. And if you bring them close to each other, basically you're going to have the little notch at the very top, close to the notch on the other phone. It'll pop up with your contact card and allow you to directly send your contact to the other person, and vice versa. Their contact can get to your phone. Now, keep in mind, it does say on here it's either two iPhones, or you can also use an iPhone and an Apple Watch to do the name drop as well. So on here, basically you just bring two iPhones together, it'll name drop if you have iOS 17. Now, if you might want to just customize or change what photo, what name, all of that is transferred in that name drop, let's open up our settings here. And then we can just scroll down and tap on Messages. And then you can see Share Name and Photo. So once we open this up, what we can do is customize exactly what the photo and the name, the contacts, all of that is included in that name drop. So on here, you can see name and photo sharing, the name, share automatically with contacts. I can tap on that and then switch it to always ask if I wanted it to always ask. But ultimately, I can edit the photo. I can edit the information that is transferred in that name drop over to the other person. Now, keep in mind, this does need your Bluetooth to be turned on. So you might need to swipe down from the top right. And you can see here Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I recommend turning both of those on so that ultimately your phone, your iPhone, can connect and interact with the other person's iPhone or Apple Watch, and that name drop can commence. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.